Okay, so talk to me about what's possible with AI video right now.
Wow, that's a loaded question. You know what? It's probably easier if I just show you. For years, we've been limited by time, by budget, and by what we were able to physically capture on camera.
Now, we can build entire worlds, create digital avatars that look and speak like real humans, and bring any type of character to life.
We can generate shots that would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. And what used to take weeks to produce can now happen within hours.
And more importantly, we can tell stories that actually make people feel something. And we can do all of this more efficiently using AI. And that means business owners who were never in this game before can show up at a completely different level and compete with a much bigger brand. And for them, that changes everything about the future of their business.
So yeah, I'll say it's pretty incredible what's possible right now because of AI video. And honestly, this is just the beginning.